So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me it's 9 o'clock and it's the big day. It is right to the wall. As you can tell, I am following two wallers. I've got, and there's a third behind me. I've got Spence on the, I think it's a Jigsaw foul. I can't remember the guy in front of him on the Triumph Sprint. And I've got Aid behind me on a ex-police Pan-European. There is about 39 others with us, but they're back where we all met up. As what's happening is we're going to a cafe. We've met up, then we're going to a cafe, and then we'll go to Drayton Manor. But trying to get 39 people with a mix of everything. Onto the A5, this is going to be interesting. So what we're going to do is just put a rolling block on. All the plugs fell over. Yeah, I've got a straggler.